In this video, we'll be installing 250 amp copper compression lugs on an NF panel board. The first step is to remove the mechanical lugs from the end of the panel board. Next, we'll install the lug pad on each face. This requires 2 screws per face. Next, we'll install the lugs on the lug pads. These are secured in place with the nuts that are provided in the kit. Next, we'll install the neutral lug with the remaining screw. Finally, we'll torque all the connections per the specifications in the instruction bullet.